So guess where I am? I am at our university right now. So this is the library building, which is a very huge building. I'm not able to cover the entire building because I don't have a drone right now. But yeah, I will soon do that. But just quickly gonna show you guys around. So if you look there in that end, that is going to be our faculty. So business school is also there, faculty of global business and economics is also there, and everything is all there. And then you walk all the way here, and then you come to the library. So this is an amazing library. This is one of the biggest libraries in Lithuania. And yeah, this is the life science center. And then you have a couple of other faculty buildings and technology center buildings. It is so nice, guys. I was just sitting here in this beautiful bench and having my cup of coffee. I mean, what more can I ask for? This is perfectly amazing. And yeah, I will try to take a video from inside our faculties, but as far as I know, our buildings are getting renovated. So I think it is best for us to have a little bit of surprise. So let's wait for a few days, and then I will soon take a video of how our buildings look how our faculty looks from the inside, and then it's gonna be amazing. So that's what I was talking about, guys. Those are our faculty buildings, and then you walk through here, and this is our library. And these are other faculties. Absolutely amazing and stunning. I mean, look at the sun shining bright and the grass green everywhere. This is a perfect climate. I love spring. So beautiful, like absolutely beautiful. I'm just quickly trying to go to the other part of I am trying to go to the other side of the building, and here I am in the entrance of the library. So as you can see, Vilnius University Biblioteka. So that means library. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. So yeah, since I was there for an event, we had some amazing, delicious refreshments offered for us. So this is the canteen or the cafeteria, which is in our library. It was an amazing experience there. That was my first time going to that particular cafeteria, and was really amazed to see how different varieties of food I can get and etc. So this is how the library looks like, guys. So here you have some pictures and 3D models and etc. And here you can actually operate this computer. You can actually go click something if you want. I was just playing around. Probably also was trying to show you guys how the view from the inside of the library looks like and from the outside. So yeah, I didn't have much time to go to every part of the building and take a video, but yeah, just showing you a virtual tour. So yeah, I hope that helps. And I am also going to the university, that is to our faculty, next week. Not next week, this week actually. So I will also take a couple of more videos, and I will soon share it with you. So I went there for an event where I had to talk to some international expats from different universities. So I had my ID card issued for the event and etc. It was amazing, guys. So yeah, looking forward to see you all here in this beautiful campus, in this beautiful place. It would be nice to have a cup of coffee with you guys in this very same bench which I am currently at. So yeah, get applying soon, get yourself started, and let's see you soon in class. I also wanted to show you guys how our classroom looks like, because a lot of you have been asking me. So this is one of the classrooms from our faculty. So yeah, you have projectors, you have a TV for the students who are sitting in the back. So it's already amazing. So yeah, please do subscribe, like and share my videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will come back for you with more and more videos about our lovely university and also life in Vilnius, Lithuania. Thank you, lovelies. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.